Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to automate customer outreach by special dates in Copper CRM. All right, so first up, let's just go ahead and add in a new field from here, maybe a birthday, anniversary, or contact expiry. Okay, to do that, go to your workspace settings right here at the top left, click on workspace. Now click on customize right here and manage fields on records. Okay. Now select the specific record to be people, companies, leads, and other options. Now for this example, I'm just going to be using people and click on create field. Now let's go ahead and choose a date field. Okay, maybe a birthday, like so. When once done, click on save. Wait for it, scroll all the way down, you'll find birthday. Now what we'll do is just go ahead over to this specific record. Now let's go ahead and add in a new filter. Okay. Do what you want right here. Just basically narrow down your contacts, such as by contact type or contact owner. So when we scroll down in here, as you can see, we now have birthday. Select the date range. Okay, for example, from this month to next month. Okay, I'm gonna hit on apply. Now just make sure that these people right here got birthdays added. Okay, say for example Ryan Rebs in here. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and add in a birthday. Okay, next month maybe November 1. There you go, it is now updated. Now again, if you want, you could go ahead and filter this out, add in a new filter with birthdays right here ranging to next month. Select the date and okay, hit on apply. There you go, Ryan Rebs got a birthday. So I'm going to go ahead and save this one as new filter, birthdays, October to November. Hit on save. There you go. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and set up the email automation. Okay, to do that, go to automations right here in the left panel. Now click on email automation. Now click on automatically email people in a saved filter. Okay, now it says here description. Go ahead and add in your custom description if you want to. I'm just going to leave it like this. In the people saved filter, click on this drop down. I'm going to go ahead and select the birthdays. Okay, and then here it says which people in the saved filter. Only new people added moving forward, or all people already in the saved filter plus any other moving forward. Okay, send from, use yourself. Okay, once done, set the delay if you want to. If not, just leave it. Okay, send, you go ahead and add in your personalized email, or you can go ahead and create a template from here. Okay, I'm just going to use this personalized email, for example. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down. Now the ending right here, it says the automation ends when a contact has received all steps. People exit the automation if they no longer meet criteria, are deleted, or match your reply criteria. Okay, set reply criteria. Just sends any emails or calendar events. Okay, then once done, just go ahead and click on set live. Okay, and once done, again, there's a button, just click on it and you're good to go. That is how you automate customer outreach by special dates in Copper CRM. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.